in this town. Don't we love it now?
I'm Shannon. I'm Kaylee. And today we're making Halloween chocolate bark. The base of it is going to be dark chocolate or milk chocolate, whatever chocolate you like, honestly, go for it. So we're gonna take our chocolate, pour it in a bowl, super complicated. And we're gonna add a little bit of coconut oil, and then we're gonna melt all of the colors.
Okay, we got our
chocolate melted.
Beautiful.
Make it pretty.
And we got the cutest ever candies from Amazon.com.
I'm gonna spread this out, and then I'm gonna take the different colors, and we're gonna just dollop them all on top, and then just kind of swirl it through so it kind of looks tie-dye. Yeah, it's swirled. It's swirling. Now we can add candy.
The autumn mix. We should add the skulls, right?
Yeah, we should add the skulls.
There's a really trendy candy store.
So these are from our friends at Bon Bon. If you guys know Bon Bon, they have the best candy, and when I make it big, all of my trick-or-treaters are getting Bon Bon candy.
Yeah, we're gonna add these skull ones.
Those ones taste so good. We gotta get our ghost song. But yeah, these are sugar. You can use them on cakes. And I was like, this would be so fun for Gal-loween Bark.
Yeah, so check out.
It landed
perfectly. Check out our Pop-Tart Gal-loween recipe that we did before this, and then we're gonna be doing a raw meat Rice Krispie treat recipe next. We could add
Sprinkles. Wait, I'm obsessed.
When in doubt, add more eyeballs. This is the perfect recipe to do with your kids because there's no right or wrong.
Can't mess up.
Gorgeous.
So
now, put it in the fridge.
Now we fridge it.
When your chocolate has hardened, take it out of the fridge, and now it's time to break it. It's so cute. Guys, look at what we made.
Yeah. Ghost down, guys. Ghost down. It's okay.
Wow, it looks cool.
No man left behind.
Guys,
Wow.
it looks so yummy.
Wait, this. Yeah, if you want to start picking out some cute pieces, you can put it in our little.
Yeah, so this is a perfect party favorite if you're having a Halloween party. And yeah, you take some bags.
How big it is, but. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna rinse these.
Look at how cute. We did it, guys.
So cute.
Happy Halloween. Happy Gal-loween.
It's disgusting.
No, I like it. This is the best recipe, I think, because it just tastes like chocolate. I mean, I think I got the actual chocolate.
Yeah, you got the dark chocolate or the milk chocolate. Oh, this is so cute. Do we think we got that outro?
Everyone clicks off anyways for the outro.
This is Halloween, this is Halloween.